Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I do tech reviews fast, and today we're going to take a look at a wireless charging stand from RavPower. So first off, I want to say thank you to RavPower for sending this product over for me to check out. I'm a huge fan of RavPower stuff, so it was really cool to be able to work with them and have this charger sent over for me to review. So secondly, I want to talk a little bit about wireless charging. Now, me personally, I was never really all that big into wireless charging. I know it was always a feature on Android phones, but for me, being an iPhone user, I didn't really understand quite how awesome wireless charging could be. It's awesome. Now that's not to say that physically plugging your phone into an actual charger isn't sometimes better. You can get much faster charging speeds if you physically plug in your phone. Now all that said, now that I have an iPhone 10, I absolutely love having a wireless Qi charger by my bed. I can set my phone down at night, wake up in the morning with a full charge. It's super convenient. I don't have to mess around with plugging or trying to plug something in as I'm trying to fall asleep. I just set it on the pad and I'm good to go. Now the wireless charging stand from RavPower is a little different from most charging pads in the fact that it's an actual stand. Most of the charging pads I've seen on the market are an actual little puck that you would set your phone on, which can actually kind of be tricky. You can either slide it too far forward, too far to the left, and it's not going to make a solid connection. Now with a wireless charging stand, it's way easier to tell that you have the phone in the right position, because if it's not sitting on the stand, it's just going to fall off. Now this stand has something called Hyper Air charging, which basically means that you can charge any iOS device at 7.5 watts, and some Galaxy devices like the S8, Note 8, S9, or S9 Plus will actually charge at 10 watts. Another cool feature of this stand is dual coil charging, which will allow you to charge your phone either in landscape or portrait mode. Now, I will say that on the cons list, if you don't use the supplied QC 3.0 adapter or the cable that's supplied with the device, it's not going to charge properly. It's not really a deal breaker, but I did try to plug it into a wall outlet that I have that has a USB plug, and it just wouldn't work. The other negative I would say about this particular setup is the fact that that adapter and the USB plug stick out pretty far from the wall, so if you're trying to mount this near a table or something that's going to be pressed up against the wall, it's going to stick out quite a bit. And again, I will say, I'm really reaching here, but the overall design of this product is pretty high tech. So if you're looking for something that's gonna blend in with your furniture, this might stick out like a sore thumb. Guys, I'm really reaching here because honestly, there's not much to not like about this product. It's really fantastic. You really can't go wrong with a wireless charging stand from RavPower. Thanks for watching.